Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Google Meets. If you want to set up or start a new Google meeting, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by going to your web browser and to go to Meetup. Google. Come into the address bar and make your search log into your Google Meet account if necessary. And once you are in, click on the New Meeting button from the options displayed in the pop-up. If you choose to create a meeting for later, click on this first option. To start an instant meeting, click on Start an Instant Meeting. If you'd like to schedule a meeting on Google Calendar, we can schedule in Google Calendar. Let me click on Schedule in Google Calendar option in order to schedule a meeting. Now this will open up your Google Calendar. Go ahead and add in a title for your meeting that you'd like to schedule. After you're done typing in the title, go ahead and enter the further details that is needed for your Google meeting. Select the date when you'd like to schedule for your meeting, and then select the time on the next slide, the starting time and the ending time for your meeting. If you'd like to conduct the meeting all day, click on this All Day option. If this is a recurring meeting, click on the drop-down and select how often the meeting will repeat. If it is the one-time meeting, leave it to Does Not Repeat and go ahead and enter your event details right beneath at the location for your meeting. If you'd like to add notifications, then click on this Add Notifications button and select either email or notifications in order to send the notifications to the attendees at the meeting. Go ahead and enter the rest of the information. Select the event color from the drop-down. Select the visibility for your meeting, whether you'd like to keep it public or private, and then add in the description for your meeting into the last text box. Now the next thing to do is add guests to a meeting. Simply enter the email address of the participants that you'd like to add on your meeting. You can add multiple participants at once. After you're done filling in all of the informations, click on Save Answer if you'd like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guest right now or not. If you do, click Send. If you don't, click on Don't Send, and that is how you'll be able to schedule a meeting with the help of a Google Calendar on Google Meet. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.